Hey guys, do you want to see the dunk high that you didn't know that you wanted? I got it right here.
Whose world is this?
Taking over in the landscape of the kicks and copping any bricks off fire you desire, but rock maybe flip. It's season, you never trip, get them early, you never miss no bite. But if they hot, make it to the court, they count. Now welcome to Bobby Sneaker World. Sneaker World, yeah, Bobby Sneaker World, Sneaker World, Sneaker World.
Hey yo, what's good y'all? It's your boy, Bobby Sneaker World, and I am back with another video. I'm going to try to make this video quick. Very, very quick. But before we get into this box, if that big button down below is still red, you're doing it all wrong. Make sure that button is gray. Come over here and join the movement. Subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to get to 8,000 subscribers over here this year. Anywho, I have another dunk. This is a dunk high, but look how small this box is. I don't even have to put it close to the camera. It won't even fill up the screen. This is another grade school pair from JD Sports. This is the Vast Gray. Now, these are really, really dope. Like, these are really, really clean. I wish that I don't wear dunk highs anymore. But these may have changed my mind. Like, I'm not going to buy an adult pair of these. Definitely not going to pay resale, obviously. But once I seen these, I really like these. Are really clean. But anyway, Nike Dunk High. It just says Nike Dunk High. It doesn't say what they're called, Vast Gray. But the color is white, Vast Gray, white. Size 4.5. Very, very, very small sneaker. But I was able to go back in JD Sports after the raffle ended and people didn't pick up their pairs. This is one of the pairs I was able to pick up. And it is really, really clean. I'll pull out both. Just to make sure there's no flaws, glue stains, backwards swooshes, or anything like that. I'm going to turn this camera, the lighting down so you guys can pick up on what I'm showing you. And there we have it, y'all. So y'all can see right here in front of you, you got the Vast Gray Dunk Highs. All white and gray. Pretty simple. And I think as I get older, this is what I'm falling in love with, man. Simplicity. But these are really, really clean, man. Like, I just love the contrast, man. It's nothing crazy, but I seen it on foot on YouTube a few weeks ago, and they look really, really clean, even in adult sizes, man. So, obviously, there's nobody in this house that wears a 4.5, so there will be no on foot of these. But I did, since I have them, I want to show those that maybe want to buy resale. What you should expect, man. This pair doesn't have any like flaws or stitching out of place, anything like that. But you do get the gray laces with the white tongue, white toe box, Vast Gray all around the uppers and the swoosh. Now the midsole is broken up between white and the gray that creeps around to the entire outsole. There's nothing crazy. Like, I don't know. Insole is gray. You won't be able to see it down in there, maybe. Gray with a white swoosh. But they're very, very simple. But I'm telling you guys, man, I promise that these are really, really clean. I have no idea if the camera is doing these justice. But you won't be disappointed if you are able to find these. These are a size 4.5. And obviously, these will have to move. This will be going towards something else, man. Something that I can actually wear. Or towards a bill. That's just how it works, man, over here. So let me turn the light back up so you can see my ugly face. Alright, like I said, man, quick video. I got them, so I wanted to show them. Hopefully it helps somebody in the future. Who knows? You might be watching this 3 years in the future. And you want to reach back and see what a size 4.5 in the Vast Gray looks like. Now you've seen it. And it's worth it. But anyway, I appreciate y'all for checking out another one of my videos, man. Hey, we grinding. 8K is the goal. Trying to double my channel's the size of my channel by the end of 21, and I only can do it one subscriber at a time. And so if you're new, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Hey, we having fun over here, so we just gonna keep grinding, keep pushing. OV.